Welcome to this course on mastering virtual work for civil engineering. After taking this course, you'll have mastered this powerful analysis technique and be able to analyse beam and frame structures to determine unknown reactions and unknown displacements. My name is Dr. Sean Carroll. I'm a chartered engineer and a senior lecturer in structural engineering here in the UK. Now, one of the biggest challenges my students face when they're working their way through their degree is structural analysis, and then within structural analysis, the principle of virtual work in particular tends to cause an awful lot of problems. So in this course, we're going to tackle those challenges head on. We'll start by reviewing the basics of beam bending behaviour. This is an essential stepping stone. After this, we'll move on and introduce the principle of virtual work and the building blocks that allow us to take that principle and apply it in structural analysis. Having established this foundation, we'll take our understanding from these two sections and bring that into the next section and start thinking about virtual work in the context of bending, how we apply it to structures like beams and frames whose primary action is a bending action. You'll develop repeatable and robust solution strategies that help you tackle these types of structures. At this point in the course, the power of these analysis techniques will have become much clearer to you. The final section allows you to put your newly acquired knowledge to the test with a number of practice questions that are designed to test your understanding and help you confirm for yourself that you have indeed understood everything you've done in the course up until this point. This course is suitable for any engineering student, although students of civil and structural engineering are going to find this course particularly relevant. Now, this course is ideally taken after my other course on virtual work, the fundamentals of virtual work, but that course isn't an essential prerequisite to this one. By the end of this course, you'll have mastered this elegant analysis technique and you'll be confident in tackling beam and frame structures to determine their unknown displacements under load. So, if you want to master the principle of virtual work and how we use it in structural analysis, go ahead and enrol in this course and I'll see you on the inside.